Okay. All right, today we are focusing on one of the 2092 fuel injected, 1 year only produced Porsche 912. Now this particular car is out of San Diego, not a rusty car. It's had a rebuilt engine, it's smooth as silk. These are really interesting cars because they're so lightweight and well balanced. Just a thrill to drive. Not particularly powerful, but they're fun and well balanced. And there it is. 1976. You'll clearly see how straight this car is with its nice body gaps, its straight body. Nice Fuchs alloys. This car does have air conditioning. Paint is good. Paint's exactly like what you see in this video. Car came from a gentleman that had a couple of Porsches. He's always had Porsches in his adult life, so he was a pretty savvy Porsche owner and kept the car in good shape, kept it garage. He did have that engine rebuilt, and you'll hear in a minute, it's like a sewing machine. It's very, very smooth. This is a feel-good car. When I went to look at the car, his cars, multiple, took this car out and just immediately you could tell this was a good car. The suspension's very tight. Engine's so smooth, and all the bushings and the gear shifting is tight. Clutch feels good. Nothing offensive at all about this car. Little things like the smile or eyebrow smile, I suppose they call it. It's not warped, no rust, no bubbling, nothing underneath there. Chrome in good condition. You can see the body gaps are good. Lenses are good. We're going to put this car up on the lift. You'll see all of this stuff at eye level. Paint's close to perfect. All the rubber seals are in nice shape. They're flexible, not stiff at all, not cracked on the corners. Glass is in good condition. No pitting, no rust. Rubber again, rubber seals are nice. Just a sweetheart of a car. No fading on the lenses, no cut rubber bumperettes. Now I started this car about 4 hours ago to move it here, and we've gone to lunch. And let's just see how she starts. Should be considered a cold start at this moment. Nice interior, by the way. There you go. Real high compression. I can feel the output. I'm probably 6 feet away. I'm still getting wind from the exhaust. Good high compression car. Interior, nice door cards that are straight. Nice seats. Beautiful sun visor, not sun visor, headliner. Sun visor's distracted me in that I see they're yellowed and puffy. They could use to be refreshed. Steering on the thread on the steering wheel cover is all intact. All the gauges are clean. I'll open the other door and show you through the other side. Engine compartment. These 912s, nice, clean, spacious engine compartment. As I said, this one was just recently redone. One of the few with air conditioning, has the original injection system in it. Cocoa floor mats in good condition. Again, a nice door card. Clean door jambs. Seats. Nice dash, not warped, not cracked. We'll put this car up on the lift and then we will go for a drive. Just a little dull. All right, let me move some cars around. We'll put this thing up on the lift. All right, here we are at eye level on the 76 912. You can see even at eye level, the car is clean and sharp and crisp. Front valance is good and clean and straight. It's not rock chipped across the nose. Again, this was a Southern California car. I actually obtained it from a Porsche collector out of Kansas City who'd gotten it in Southern California and brought it home. Garage kept, kind of nice and clean and crisp. Everything is. You can see how straight the sides are. Gaps are perfect. These are such great little cars. All the chrome's in good shape. Nothing pitted. All the rubbers are in good condition. If you'll note, for those of you that don't know, this is Porsche undercoating, and if it's ever gone, that fender or that quarter panel's been replaced. And that undercoating's on every corner on this car. See how straight the sides are, the doors. They use plenty of paint. We got plenty of yellow in the wheel wells. Rough undercoating, here it is. Accordions are good. Lenses are good. Rubber is good. How straight those sides are. All right, we'll go on up. All right, here we are on the underside. Original belly pans. Southern California car. No rust. No rust. No rust. You can see that engines had work. Actually had a total rebuild. Tires are good. All four wheels are in good condition. Front suspension is good. No rust in that pan. All right, we'll get it down and take a drive.